how can you copy images from a website. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So, you can get, for example, inside of a web page like this one, which is unsplash.com, from which you can download like free photos and stuff like that for your project. But if I want to copy the images, I'm just gonna, I'm on a website, so I'm gonna click on the image to make it show up in the full screen. And obviously with this website I have also the download button, but let's say it's not there, so you can just hold down on it, hold down on the image, and more buttons are going to appear below. So we have the share, save to photos, and there's also the copy button. So when you click on a copy, it is like stored in the background, like in the clipboard, and now you just need to know where you paste it. So you can paste it into your notes or into some different apps or into mail or whatever, right? So that would work. Like, there is the copy button, but to be honest, I personally prefer the save to photos option, because this will make my photo appear in the gallery alongside all of the other images. And for me, it makes more sense because I can access it later and whenever I want. And inside of the photos, I can click on share and, share it, paste it wherever I want, right? But when I click on a copy, I'd have to just paste it right away, or it will be deleted from the clipboard. So, these options are going to pop up on your device. So that's how it works. If you have more questions, let me know about them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.